Are you ready to transform your car rides into peaceful and entertaining journeys? Introducing the FANGOR car headrest mount holder, the ultimate solution for keeping your kids engaged and happy during long drives. Let's delve into why this product is a game changer for parents and road trip enthusiasts alike. Unboxing the FANGOR car headrest mount holder reveals a treasure trove of features designed to enhance your driving experience. From the anti-slip strap ensuring stability to the versatile holding net accommodating various tablet sizes, this holder is a must-have for hassle-free entertainment on the go. Experience the convenience of the FANGOR holder's angle adjustability, allowing you to customize the viewing angle for your kids' comfort. Say goodbye to restless journeys as this holder provides the perfect setup for uninterrupted entertainment, making every drive a joyous experience. Discover why customers rave about the FANGOR car headrest mount holder. With testimonials praising its stability, ease of use, and compatibility with various tablets, this holder stands out as a reliable companion for your family adventures. In a league of its own, the FANGOR holder surpasses competitors with its unmatched stability and user-friendly design. Experience a worry-free journey, knowing that your tablet is secure and your passengers are entertained, thanks to this top-tier car accessory. Embrace the practicality and convenience of the FANGOR car headrest mount holder, a sleek and space-saving solution that enhances safety and enjoyment on the road. Elevate your travel experiences with this innovative accessory that prioritizes both functionality and style. Join the countless satisfied customers who have made the FANGOR car headrest mount holder their go-to choice for in-car entertainment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your driving experience with this exceptional product. Click the link in the description to get yours today.